How to generate your AI videos for free with dialogue script, popular demand. So a lot of people have been asking, and I am here to give you a review for this AI tool that actually gives you free videos and dialogue script at the same time, which means you can do text to video and you can actually do image to video. Now 2026, there's something I want to tell you, because you all know I do not get keep. When it comes to 2026, okay, AI tools will actually give you a limit when you're using the free tools. Do you get? Everybody understands that. But without withstanding, I'll show you how to use this tool, how to work with it, and get your videos done. So let's go. Let me show you how you can actually generate your videos for free with these AI tools and get dialogue scripts. Let's go. First thing first, what we'll do is we get the storyline, okay? Because we need images or we need text to video, right? For you to get your story. So how do you do that? For people who do not know, we are new beginners, I'll start here on ChatGPT. And this, you can actually use ChatGPT for the free version. So you get your story first or your image, then we go to the free video tool and generate it. So I'll start by saying, give me a story. I'll just start by a short story. Give me a short story about a village. Let me use Nigerian, okay? You can use any of your choice. And these are the little things that you actually put into your story to make it, personal, okay? A Nigerian, give me a short story about a Nigerian village girl who wanted to leave the village for the city to get a good job. Okay. Now, this is what I said. I'll say at this point, I'll say make this story, for those of you who do not know, writing story blindly, ChatGPT doesn't give you anything. So I would say make this story start happy and end sad. Okay, and end sadly. Okay, girl age 19. No, let's use 20. Age that is not going to be restricted. Let's use 20. Age 20 years old. Age 20 years old. Long black hair. Black braids. So you describe your character how you want them, right? I describe mine how I want. You describe yours how you want, okay? Tall. Brown, light skin. Brown, light skin with brown eyes, okay? Brown, bold eyes. So yeah, this is just the personality that I wanted to give my character. And then you click on generate, okay? ChatGPT is actually generating the story for us. Now, the next thing that you need to ask for is give me image prompt. Give me image prompt for each scene. Hope I'm not fast. Each scene with consistent character. I don't want the video to be long, especially this part, because many people know this part, but for beginners it's very important because a lot of you don't know how to prompt for your story, okay? With consistent character. So yeah, that's what I ask for. Here I ask for image prompt with consistent character. All right, so yeah, we have it like that. Now, if you actually want to do a text to video, if you're doing this story, you ask for image prompt and motion prompt with consistent character. But now we are just looking for image to video. So yeah, but I'll do both so you get to see them. So here I've asked for image prompt with consistent character and they've given us this. Okay. Now for text to video, I'll say give me image prompt, dialogue script with motion prompt for each scene. Now, this is to teach those who want to do text to video. All right. The first one is image to video. This one is text to video. Do you get? All right. So I'll click there and generate that. So mostly this text to video is very good for tools like VO3. Okay, if you're using VO3, if you're using Filmora and all that. Now we have it like this. Okay, you can see image prompt, you have motion, you have dialogue. All right, so there you go. Now here, I can actually just copy this one from image prompt. All right, copy that down to the dialogue script. I'll copy the first one. Why I copy the first one? To go show you how to use the video tool. Let me also generate the image. Okay, yeah, I'll say generate image for scene 1. Generate image for scene 1 with consistent character. You do not forget that, because you want your characters to stay consistent. Okay, so we have this. All right, now it will generate that image for us. When you're done, you say generate image for scene 2, generate image for scene 3, until you're done with all the images. So I'll be generating that. That will be generating. So let's go to the video tool now. You go to your browser. All right, go to your browser and you type VO3 free, VO3 free. Now you have these ones. Just scroll down and you have this particular one here. Let me zoom it in for you. This particular one, okay, with the purple something on it. So it says VO3 AI free video generator, that one. All right, now once you have it there like that, click on it. It opens like this. When it opens, you need to register on this tool with your email. You need to register here with your email account. All right, now here you can see image to video, and then you can see text to video. So if you click on text to video, it brings you here. All right, so I clicked on text to video. Now here you can actually do product adverts. Yes, you can do product advert. You can do image to video. I'll show you how to do product advert as well. You can do text to video as well. Okay, and then here you can do reference image, which means you can reference a video and it will do it for you. Text to image, you have Nano Banana that's generating the image for you, so you can generate your images here if you want to. All right, so we're starting for free. I'll log in with my Gmail account. All right, so you guys have seen that I did not gatekeep anything. I'm using it on this particular phone for the first time, so you get to see that we are not gatekeeping anything. All right, don't say, oh, it's not. So here where it says prompt, I have my text to video prompt. I'll click there and boom, I'll paste everything at once. So you can see we have the image prompt. Image prompt here, Nigerian girl. You can see they're tall and slim. It described everything about her first to start with. And then it goes to motion prompt that you can actually see there. And then you can see it goes down to dialogue. Okay. Now, once you're done with that, let's go down here. Okay, you can choose the dimension that you want, but since in my text my dimension actually says 9.16, I'll go to aspect ratio and I'll choose 9.16. okay, instead of 16.9, I'll choose 9.16. Now you have duration. You have 4 seconds, you have 8 seconds, you have 10 seconds, you have 12 seconds. Okay, so let's just say for now we go for 8 seconds. All right, I'll choose 8 seconds. And because it's a trial video, I don't want to do long video that I don't need to use them as well. Now, you also have the resolution here for 4.80, 7.20, and 1080p. You can choose the 4.20, all right, just to give you a good, or you choose the 180p. Do you get? Yeah. So after you do all that, you come down here. You'll be able to generate your videos. Now, before you click on generate, you can come up here, and where you see models, you can click where it says models, and you see sedans, you see VO3, you see different ones. There are many. You see many AI tools in this one that you can actually use. That's the ones to use. I'll be choosing the VO3 3.1 lit, that particular one. I'll choose on it. Okay, now once you choose on that, then you come down here and then you click on generate your video. So you wait for this to generate. You see it's verifying, and then it will start generating your video. Do you get? Now there's something I'll tell you. All these free AI tools that I get to introduce to you, you all get to know they have limits. All right, and if you're actually going into creating videos, you should be able to keep at least $10 for you to pay for AI tools that will generate your videos for you every month. Okay, $10, $15, $20 for those who have. So yeah, that's what I can actually tell you. But for now, we wait for the video to generate and then you get to see. Let's see. Click on that.
What a beautiful morning.
Oh.
One day, I'll make my family proud.
Okay, so I actually like this because they gave realistic, not the
What a
AI
beautiful
characters.
morning.
And again, if you want it AI character, you can always describe your characters, you all know. But here, I just wanted
One
this,
day,
and they gave it like that. Do you get? So yeah, I think it's not bad for a free tool. It is not bad, okay?
I'll make my
So this is
family
for
proud.
those who always say, please give us the free tools. If I give, they'll tell me, oh, this tool is not free, this tool is not free. And you can always save your video as well. So here it says you can regenerate. If you do not like it, you can edit. There you see re-edit, you can re-edit it, and you can actually download it. So there it's actually downloading, then you click and save.